How to transfer files from one laptop to another laptop. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can go in and transfer all of your documents, photos, and videos from one computer to another computer. Now there's a few different ways to do this, but by far the easiest is just to go and open up an internet browser and head over to the website google.com. Now make sure you're signed into your Google account in the top right hand side, and then you can go and click on this square icon. You can then go and select Drive. Now what we're going to do is upload our files and our documents to this Google Drive, and once the files have been uploaded, we can go and access them on our new computer. So I'm going to start by clicking New in the top left hand side, and then I'm going to create a new folder by selecting New Folder, and I'm just going to give this the name of Files. Now you don't have to do this, but I just like to keep everything organized. And once you've created your folder, you can simply double click on the folder, and now we can go and upload our files into this specific folder. Now you can also create folders within folders if you want to make sure everything's organized, but I'm just going to click on New in the top left hand side and then select File Upload. You then just need to select the files and the documents you want to go and send over to your other computer. So in this scenario, I'm just going to select these images here, but you could obviously have a lot more documents and files than this. So once you have these selected, just go and press Open, and over in the bottom right hand side, it will show you the status of when these files have finished uploading. Now once they finished uploading like this, we can then go and access this on our new computer. So all you would simply do is head over to the same website, google.com, make sure you're signed in to the same Google account, and then you can click on this square icon again, click on Drive, and then obviously you'll have access to all of your files. Now to go and download this onto your new computer, you can just go and right click on that folder that we just created, and you can then go and press Download. Now once that's finished downloading, you'll see it will appear in your Downloads folder in the top right hand side, and you can go and access this just by opening up the File Explorer on your computer. You can then click on the Downloads folder, and you'll see this folder here contains all of our different files. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.